Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today I'll be making hamburger steak. You will need 1 pound of ground beef, 1/4 cup of breadcrumbs, 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, 2 tablespoons of cooking sherry, 1 egg, 1 cup of onion, 2 cups of beef broth, 2 tablespoons of canola oil, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 2 teaspoons of seasoned salt. Add the egg and Worcestershire sauce to the ground beef. Now add the onion powder, garlic powder, black pepper, breadcrumbs, and 1/2 teaspoon of your seasoning salt, and mix until all ingredients are well combined. Form the ground beef into medium-sized patties, then place them aside. In your frying pan, using medium heat, bring your oil to temperature. Now cook your patties for 5 minutes, then remove them from the pan. Now add the onions to the pan and saute for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, add the flour and mix to form your roux. Add your beef broth and continue to cook, bringing your gravy to a light boil. Now add the remainder of your seasoned salt and sherry. Return the patties to the pan, baste, then cover and continue to simmer for an additional 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, it is ready to serve. If you're looking for a hearty and easy weeknight dinner, then you must give this a try. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.